Okay, we're back with our program Adda Kaming Karruba. Dito lang po KPRP Pinoy Power Radio, and you're still with your Manong Jun Sariales. Kaya't mi apo manen nga pagyamanan dagiti sponsors me. We have Alex Video Service featuring Blu-ray technology, and for your reservations and appointments, please get in touch with Alex and Annie Bayudan at telephone number 808-284-1181. We also have Uncle Bonnie and Annie Femia Coliado, and of course, pagyamanan tayo ni Uncle Phil and Auntie Minnie Lastimosa. Ken kastamet syempre iti nakapinpintas nga balasang supermodel Janelle Megan Rosalyn Anderson, and she's promoting Sportive International. Ayan. And of course, Tito Mahal John Anderson and Manang Emmy Ortega Anderson. Dagita apo ti reason why adda kami titangatang agam ampayag mangmangta diti sonata iti ayat ken biag. Ket kas iti napalpalabas iti mauding kapaset iti programa apo ket gan na asonata wenno dagiti sonata nga foreign nga nagbalin apo nga paset ti biag ni Ilocano. Ket may nga sonata apo iti saud ko kada kayo nga no ang mga apo daytoy in the middle of the night talaga bat nga nakakalkalma iti aglawlaw at kas na awan ti problema. Kasta apo ti kas na maitad na makaikat iti stress dati nga sonata. Aglalo no i-internalize mo nga ti ayat mo ket forever nga kurada. From Rex Smith,
they say that you and I are reaching far too high. We know when love was young, we've only just begun. Through the night we hold each other tight forever. Our love like yours and mine will stand the test of time. Like rivers to the sea, your love returns to me. Through the night we hold each other tight forever. I'll be yours forever. To fill my life, to stand beside me. I will be the one you run to. You can depend on me forever. Forever, you're mine. Forever, I'll be yours forever. You're mine. Forever.
May sabi po nga sonata para matkaligiti 50 pa nga to. May sabi nga sonata nga pinalatak iti letterman para kaligiti adan iti balasang nadabalasang mo
How do you sleep last night? You're several ages older now. Your eyes have started showing how my little girl is growing now. Morning girl, was that you last night, crying on the radio, begging for a way to go back where love was a jungle song? Oh no, things were different now than they were before. You know love is more than kisses, oh, and more. Morning girl, put your dreams away and read your pops of cereal and powder at the pretty nose, and go out and find your man while the wild wind blows. Morning girl,
Morning girl, nga rin ket may sabi pong OPM, di sagot kumat kita kayo. Ket once again, happy birthday to the Kabal brothers and sisters. Ayan, taludan nga na po nga agkasangay itata nga bulan ti Agosto, di jay Hilo Hawaii. First on the list ay Manong Daniel, ken ni kibagat na nga ni Lisa Kabal. O kita nyo tigasawag pada nga August, so it's a grand celebration. And of course, ito yung younger brother da nga ni Serge Kabal. Greetings coming from iti may sa sponsors mi apo, iti reason why we have this studio ni Kabsat Kathy Kabal Salvador nga ada iti home care na DJ Hilo Hawaii. Ken of course may sabi apo nga ng Kablao Katakwada ni Kabsat nga Josephine Kabal. Ngarod may sabi nga sonata OPM apo nga naipas nga idi dekada 80. Ket para kadagiti agdadamo pa ang itinagan ni Ayat. Hindi damagong pala ang itinagan na. What is your name? Samon to lang dyan ang barnamutan. Tataka puro text na kita.
Tell me your name. You're lovely. Please tell me your name. Just when I thought this would be one of those boring games, you walked into this place. You look at me and smiled. My heart froze and started going wild. Can you imagine this? The confusions of first love kiss. I return to wondering if the magic of love was this. You merely said hello, and my mind did stop and go. Can it possibly be the future for me is you?
Your name, I must know. Won't you tell me your name?
not insane, just frightened that you might go. Don't go, please stay beside me. Just wait until I can tell you all my schemes, chasing rainbows, spinning dreams, finding someone to love like you. I'm not insane, just frightened that you might go. Don't go, please stay beside me. Just wait until I can tell you all my schemes, chasing rainbows, spinning dreams. Tell me please your name. Tell me.
I'm John Mark.
Yan, dinapot iso natang putar po ni Jose Marichan, Mr. Songwriter himself po. Akit talaga mo nga idiri mo rata idi high school akat nagsikat nga perpemi because of its itay mellow nga kung kunada relaxing sound, itay ding-dinggam laeng kat maikaten ti panog mo. Ngarod medyo nasakitin na kami ngayon na nadanan din apo ti oras tintay pa nagsisina. Once again, we'd like to thank our sponsors for this program, Alex Video Service featuring Blu-ray Technology. For our reservations and appointments, please get in touch with
Alex and Annie Bayudan at telephone number 808-284-1181.
Okay, Uncle Bonnie and Anya Femia Coleado, agyaman kami kada kayo apo.
Kastamit kini Uncle Phil and Auntie Minnie Lastimosa.
Wow, and of course, iti nakalaslas bang unay, nga Ilocana Beauty, nga dalog na nga Hawaii. Siyempre, our very own supermodel Janelle Megan Rosalind Anderson, who's promoting Sportive International at this moment. And of course, iti agasawa nga ni
Tito Mahal John Anderson.
and
Auntie Emmy Ortega Anderson.
Katiting
Okay.
dapo, timanong yung Jun Seriales.
Yan kanakan you, John Mark Pastor.
Saying goodbye for now, and akikita tayo man po next week, same time, same frequency. Dito lang po, KPRP Pinoy Power Radio.
6:50 AM, Honolulu, Hawaii.
And with that, we'd like to say goodbye and God bless everyone.